So today we will check my phone. So let's start its about section and check its specification. This is a Techno Camon 15, looking a good device for gaming. So it is 4 GB and 64 GB. So 4 GB RAM and internal storage 64 GB. 16 megapixel front camera and 48 megapixel quad camera, which is a back camera. So its CPU quality is 2.0 gigahertz octa core. Battery is also good, and Android 10, it is good for internet user. So this model has great feature. So it has good specification. Now we will check its update section. It is up to date. So looks very good and has great feature for internet user. It has gaming mode. You can enable gaming mode and play unlimited game. It has a system and update system. You can update when your software is required. So this was a specification of Techno Camon. It has its own game where you can play a game. So start a game and check its quality. So look very smooth and playing a very calmless game. You can see its picture quality and etc. So we will now play a game and check its voice screen quality etc. Okay, I have closed it, and now it is closed. Now it is also closed. So now we will play a YouTube. So as good on YouTube.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, आज हम बात करेंगे कि आप अपने YouTube चैनल पर 4000 घंटे वॉच टाइम कैसे जल्दी से जल्दी कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं। याद रखिए, आज जो चंद बातें, सिर्फ और सिर्फ चंद बातें आपको बताने वाला हूं। यकीनन मैंने उनको प्रैक्टिकली करके 3-4 चैनल्स ऐसे हैं जिनका वॉच टाइम कंप्लीट करवाया है। आप भी कर सकते हैं। सिंपल सा तरीका है और एक्सेप्टेबल है, और YouTube आपके चैनल को मोनेटाइज भी कर देगा। कोई